Hi, my name is Naveen. In this video, I will be showing you about secrets in Kubernetes. In my previous video, I did show how to create config maps, and I recommend watching that one before continuing with this video. Coming to secrets, they are similar like config maps. Means they help us in passing configuration data to the pod. Only use it to pass sensitive information. It may be something related to passwords or any token related data or any SSH key files. In general, the data which is passed to the pods in form of secrets is not encrypted. They are only encoded with the base64 command. And by default, there are some secrets which are created during the cluster installation, and these secrets help in interacting with the API resources. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a secret in imperative and declarative way, and also how to use them in the pod as a default environment variable or using it as a custom variable, and also how to mount the secrets in the pods as a file system. When creating a secret in the imperative way, there are three options: using file and from literal, and in the file we can directly give the file name, or we can give the path to the files where the configuration data is stored, and also as a key value pair. In the previous video, I showed you how to use the option with file name and with literal. In this one, I will be using the directory path option. For this video, I have used Google Cloud as my host machine, and all the documentation regarding the commands whatever I show will be found under kubernetes.io website. So let's begin. I have created a folder named secret. Under that one, I created one more folder named my secret, and in this one I will create some files storing the configuration data. These are the two files which stores the first name and last name. Using these two files, I'll create a secret. This is the command kubectl create followed by the secret name. Here we need to give option as generic because there are three types of secrets which can be created. One is generic, the other is TLS secrets, and the third one is Docker registry secrets. From the exam point of view, we need to only know about the option generic. Let's create a secret from this file. Secret has been created, and to show all the secrets which are listed in the cluster, the command is kubectl get secrets. Let's see the contents inside it. So under the data option, we can see two files, first.txt and last.txt. If you want to see the contents inside this secret, we can also use the YAML option. Here the first.txt and last.txt has been encoded in the base64 format. Now let's see how to create a secret using the declarative way, that is using the YAML file. The structure will be API version which is v1, the kind will be secret, and under metadata we will give the name of the secret. And coming to the details, we have two options to give here. One is string data and the other is data. If you want to pass any information in the form of string, then string data option will be used, and if you want to pass any arbitrary type of data like binary, we can use the data form. If you want to pass any details under the data, we need to encode it using the base64 and then paste it over here. Now let's create a secret from this file. We get an error because under the data we did not encode the details first name and last name, which are in caps. Now let's encode these details and then paste it to the YAML file. So this is the encoded form of string John. And this is the encoded form of string Doe. Now I will try once again. We can see the secret has been generated. Let's see the contents inside it. First name, last name in caps and small. I'll see the same thing using the YAML option. So these are the details which we encoded manually and then passed into the YAML file. But under the string data details, the command itself converted the string into encoded form. So these are the two options by which we can pass the data into the YAML file. Now let's see how we can use these secret details inside a pod. Similar to config maps, we can pass secrets into pods in three different ways, using default variables, custom variables, and as a file system. For this demo, I will create 3 pod YAML files. I have generated the YAML files for the 3 pods, and now I will use the secret 2 details inside the pod. Here we have 4 variables, first name and last name in small and caps. Similar to config maps, we can pass the environment details using a custom variable. In the secret, the variable name is first name in caps, and I am giving here first underscore name. Let's create a pod from this file. Pod has been created. Let's see the variables inside it. Here we can see the first name has been passed as a custom variable, first underscore name. In the second option, I will directly pass the environment variables without creating any custom variables. For this, the option will be env from. Here the name will be the secret name. Pod has been created. Let's go inside it. And here the variables are directly passed as a default variable. Now let's see the final option, how to pass the secret as a volume mount. Under this spec, we need to first define the volume name. This will be the volume name, and under secret, we will need to pass the secret name. The same details has to be passed under the container configuration in the form of volume mounts. Here the name of the volume and the name of the volume under volume mount should be same. I I am passing the secret details under etc secret data folder. Let's create a pod and check the volume mounts. Pod is running. Here under the etc folder, a folder secret data has been created. And we can see all the variables defined here. Now these are the three ways by which we can pass the secret details inside a pod. To summarize once again, I did show how to create the secret using imperative way and declarative way. Imperative way we can use two options, from file and from literal. And we can use the secrets inside a pod using the environment variables. It may be a custom variable name or a default variable name. And finally passing the secret details inside a pod as a file system. If you have any more doubts regarding the config maps and secrets, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer them. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel Me Alive. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one.